welcome back to my channel. So finally I am uploading this video on how I contour my nose. Just gotta tell you, I don't do this every day. I just, this is a method on contouring your nose, but then pretty much an extreme version. I take a lot of steps when I do this. So yeah, this is how my nose looks like when I've contoured and highlighted it. So yeah, if you want to see how I do that, then please keep on watching. Okay, so everything is on my face: foundation, cream contour, no powders and no concealer, because we're going to do that later on. So yeah, let's get started with contouring the nose. And to do so, I'm using the MAC Fluidline Brow Gel Cream in the shade True Brunette, which is actually a product for the brows, but it is very nice ashy brown shade. Love to contour my nose with it. So that's what we're going to use. And this new MAC brush, this is the 268S brush. It's a dual fiber brush, an angled one. So let's get started. Taking a tiny amount of this product. And what I always do, wait, let me show you. I always take actually a generous amount, and then I just wipe it in the cap. Like so. So there's not too much product, but it's evenly spreaded on the brush. So itchy. So let's get started. Okay, I cannot do this and talk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a straight line as close to the bridge of my nose as possible. I'm going to start here, and later on I will be connecting this part towards my eyebrow. So it has to be a line like from the eyebrow to the sides of the nose. I'm just raising my eyebrows so I can connect it to my eyebrows. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. The line is not even straight, but that's okay. So that's why I always start doing this part, like the darker areas. Then I'm going in with concealer and, a beauty blender. So there are a lot of things I still can use to blend it out. But before I'm going to do that, I am going in with this Sigma E25 brush. And I am going to soften this contour, not too much, because I will be using a lot more product. So just on the sides. I'm not blending on the bridge of my nose because I want this part like towards the bridge of my nose to be as straight as possible. So I'm actually blending it downwards, if that makes sense. This takes so much time, and that's the reason why I most of the time do not even do that. I just highlight the bridge of my nose and call it a day, because to be honest, I hate doing this. I hate it. I love the way it looks, but it's also very tricky because sometimes I'm in a hurry, and if there's one thing you cannot do in a hurry, it's contouring your nose, because otherwise you will look like this and having a stripe on the sides of your nose. Okay, so these two lines are still there. That is perfect. It is not blended out, and that's exactly what I wanted to have, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this MAC Prep and Prime in a Light Boost, like a highlighter, and I'm going to draw a line on the bridge of my nose. Okay, so if there was too much cream on the bridge of my nose, that is gone now. That's why I did the contouring first, and after that highlighting and concealer and all that good stuff. I used to blend this out like immediately, but lately I've been letting this dry and sit for like a good few minutes because I don't even know how to explain, but I will show you in a few minutes. And in the meanwhile, let's do some concealer. And for concealer, I am going in with the MAC Pro Longwear in NC35. A little bit on the sides of my nose. And then I'm going to blend it out. So I'm not blending the sides yet. I'm going to do that with a brush. So just under the eyes. Like that. And then to blend out the concealer on the sides of my nose, I'm using this Morphe E21 brush, and I am pushing the product towards my under eye. So not towards the bridge, but towards my under eyes. Sometimes I find my beauty blender to be too big for this area, so that's why I'm using a brush. Okay, so now I'm going back in with my blending brush and blending the sides of my nose again, because I want like the dark contouring stripe to be one with the concealer. I just blend it with a brush. I hope this will make sense, you guys. Please understand what I'm doing. And I'm really taking it up into my brows, like so. I'm still not going to blend this part of my nose. I'm going to let it sit, and I'm going to set my under eyes. And to do so, I'm using this Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just applying it everywhere. Okay, so I'm taking that contouring brush again and applying a tiny amount here, because this part is a bit more like round, and sometimes people draw like this circle here. I don't like that because I already have like a round tip of the nose. That's why I don't do that, and that's also why I never highlight the tip of my nose. Just a little bit here. Yeah. Just to make it a little bit less round. Then it's finally time to remove this here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm taking my beauty blender, and I am not like dabbing onto my nose. It is just like ever so lightly letting the beauty blender touch my nose. Like ever so lightly. Just stop, look in the mirror. Then I can see that something is not right around this area. Can you tell? Like around here. So I'm taking that MAC brush again and, you know, adding a little bit more darkness. Well, you know what I mean. And then blending it with this flavor brush. Okay, so do you guys now understand why I let the highlighter sit on my nose? Because I don't have to blend a lot. It just makes a perfectly straight line onto my nose, and that's what's going to give you like, you know, the illusion that you have a smaller nose or a more defined nose. Well, you don't have that, but you know, it's makeup, so who cares? And one thing to keep in mind, like if I look at the sides of my nose right now, I can see a harsh line. That's not pretty. So what you're gonna do is don't look at the front only. Like turn your head and just see how it looks when you turn to the left. Last but not least, you don't have to do this. I like to do this is bake the sides of my nose. This is gonna make it a little bit more narrow, and then a little bit on the bridge, but I'm not gonna bake on the bridge of my nose. I'm just applying powder there because I'm still gonna use a highlighter on top of my nose, on top of the bridge of my nose, I mean. And this time I'm going in with the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Just gonna use my finger with my ugly ass nail and apply it only on the bridge of my nose. So if you have kind of like the same nose as I have, meaning like that it's a bit more round up here and a bit more bigger, please do not highlight the tip of your nose. It's not gonna look good. Like if you have this tiny, almost like perfect nose, there are just a few people who can actually highlight the tip of their nose. My mom can, Nikki Tutorials can, and a few other people. But you gotta have like that type of nose. Not when it's already round, because you're gonna highlight the roundness, unless that's the look you're going for. But I don't like to go for that look, so I'm just gonna leave it the way it is and just highlight the bridge of my nose. And we're not gonna bake for hours. I think like 30 seconds, that's about enough. And then I'm gonna wipe the powder away with this MAC brush. Just wiping it onto the sides. Going over it with my beauty blender again. And we are done. Okay, so I'm quickly going to do the rest of my face, well, my eyes, a little bit of eye kohl, some powder highlight, and I'll be right back. So yeah, guys, this was the video. I hope it was helpful for you. I know it was like pretty extreme. I use a lot of products, but just like I said, I don't do this every time. To be honest, most of the time I don't, because I don't like to do it. But if I do it, this is the way I do it. And if I want to go for a natural, like highlighted nose, that's actually one thing I do every day. I just highlight the bridge of my nose using that Prep and Prime stick. And yeah, that's what I do. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video. I want to thank you, of course, for watching, and hit me up with some comments. Bye bye.